Mercy triumphs over judgment. St. James chapter 2 verse 13. My dear brethren, today's gospel passage and epistle remind us that mercy overrules the law and triumphs over judgment. Jesus fills the Sabbath once again with God's love and mercy. In healing the dropsy, Jesus appears as the God of love and mercy for all. God's kingdom, which Jesus proclaimed, is the kingdom of divine love and compassion for all. God manifests His glory by loving and being compassionate to the humanity. We should realize that a law Christians subject to is the law of love and mercy. It is mercy that must triumph over judgment, but often our judgment on others triumph over mercy. Our judgments are mostly based on the external appearance and mere observation of law, and they often turn out to be partial and biased. A biased judgment is more destructive rather than constructive. Whereas mercy is without any condition, it is purely an act of love and understanding. An act out of love is unbiased, so also any act of mercy. We should be merciful to others simply because our existence depends on others' mercy. We are in constant need of mercy of God. If we are not merciful, we can neither seek nor receive the mercy He offers. God promises that He will be merciful to us and judgment will be replaced by mercy if we are merciful to our brethren. God's mercy alone delivers us from the fear of judgment. Today, we celebrate the CMI Benefactors Day. It implies that we received mercy from others and we are loved by others. So during this meditation, let us examine, are we compassionate to others? Do we love our brethren unconditionally? Do I replace judgment with mercy in my approach to my brethren? Let us pray to God, have mercy on us. Thank you.